Today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the drive belt on this Convair Millenia. My tools for the day are a Phillips screwdriver, a slot screwdriver. This is important. This is a piece of wire. This one's plastic coated. I can bend it to any shape and it'll hold a shape, and I mold a hook into the end of it. And I like to have a couple of wooden dowels handy. A standard number 2 wooden pencil works just fine too. First step is to use the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw to the access door. I use the slot screwdriver to help pry open the tabs from the right side. The left side pops out with a little bit of coercion most of the time. The old drive belt can be removed fairly easily. It often gets hung up inside on the large pulley. In fact, there's a large pulley here that the fan spins, and there's a small pulley here that drives the pump. So if you're not saving your belt, sometimes the fastest and easiest thing to do is just to cut it and remove it. The new belt, I've found, works best to put it in from the top. This is a fidgety, frustrating process, I'll have to say. I like to go in with my wire, hook that new belt, bring it down a little bit. Sometimes I'll hook it from the bottom. The goal here is to get one strand of this belt between the blue plastic grid and the white plastic pulley, so that the belt can be around the pulley. That's the crux of this situation, of this installation. And with enough fidgeting, one can usually do that. I missed that one. Let's try it again. Take the belt in through the top. I use my wire hook to help position it. We need to hook one strand, one part of the belt, and get it around that pulley by pulling it down between the blue housing and the white pulley. There's no simple formula for this. It's all kind of trial and error and iterations. And just when you think you have it, you'll find out whether you do or you don't. So I'm in a good position here. The belt is now around the pulley. I can access it with my fingers through the access door. I'm going to use my hook again to hold this belt while I try and get it around the small pulley. I like to hold the belt so I don't drop it into the abyss and have to start all over. got it around the small pulley there. So the belt is now around the large pulley and the small pulley. I don't think it makes a difference exactly which way it goes around this small pulley. The one thing you want to avoid is making it into a figure 8 though, where the belt would rub against itself in the middle. The rest is the reverse. Snap the access door back in. Again, not an easy thing. That went easier than usual. These two tabs need to go underneath. Thankfully, it's flexible enough to do that. And reinstall the screw holding the access door. I have another video showing how to remove and replace the back access panel, so I'm not going to show that now.